Down to the action, I suppose, Arthur. Explain the rules to me.
The rules is, right, if a fella's attacking, you have to give him right away. You can't cross the tractor, you can't reverse your tractor. If you commit a foul in the 18-yard box, it's a penalty. Commit 2 fouls, you're sin bin for 2 minutes.
Is there a goalkeeper?
No, there's no goalkeeper, fly goalkeeper. Now, no tractor can stay in the goals. He can just come across, take the ball and back out. He can't park his tractor at the goals.
Do you observe the offside rule?
There's no offside in 7-a-side, so...
And where do you stand?
I stand up on top of the box there.
That's it, no messing. No messing now, do you hear that, drivers? No messing.
It's very safety. If anyone comes on the field, we have a hooter. We blow the hooter twice, all tractor stops.
Okay.
For safety reasons, and it has to be done for safety reasons, because there is small kids around which the child could run out. So it's very, very safe done, as you see yourself, all the barriers all around, the stakes first and then the barriers. These are all agricultural drivers, so they're all good drivers. Every one of the 6 drivers are absolutely brilliant on the tractors. Oh. And like, as I said, they work for Shaw's there and they're all good drivers. Now you couldn't let any Joe soap up on them. As you see yourself, they're all brand new tractors and you wouldn't want one of them broke up today now. It costs a lot of money, so that's what to do. Feel it there yourself there now.
Alright, let's give it a go. It's heavy enough.
Yeah, it is.
I mean, you could push it along, but...
Push it along.
You'd probably be better off with the tractor.
Yeah. Now the tractor, the bars are low on the tractor, so they roll the ball along.
No, he's going himself. Now Lee should come out and make the press. They're like Mayo coming out the other day, they're pressing. Young, what we call him, Laois, is past there, he could reverse. O'Brien breaks through the tackle and he's heading to a goal. Man going away.
As I said, you service your car every year, but you won't go to a doctor once a year to get check-up for your heart. So this is what the main idea this day is, all sponsored there for Know Your Heart. So this is where all the money's going today is to that. With farmers mainly, like a lot of farmers don't go to doctors. I don't go myself.
Yeah.
Bar I'm really very bad, I wouldn't go to a doctor. So this is just encouraging people to go once a year to get a check-up, check your cholesterol, check your heart. The